11 amazing psychological truths about human behavior and the mind. The human mind is so complex that new studies and research are published almost every day, revealing surprising facts about how we think and act. Let's look at 11 such facts that will help you understand yourself better. Your worldview depends on your entertainment. People who watch a lot of crime dramas or serious news often overestimate the dangers happening in the world. They may perceive the world as a scary place. Conversely, those who watch lighthearted comedy or fantasy view life with a more positive outlook. The media has a deep influence on how we perceive our world. Our ability to think is cultural. The problem-solving approach of people raised in Asian cultures differs from those in Western countries. Asian thinking is holistic. They look at things in context. Western thinking is analytical. They focus on the main subject. You have a limit on close friends. Our brain can only handle a certain number of strong, meaningful relationships, about 150 people in total. This is a limit determined by the size of our brain, and it means we are biologically wired to maintain only a few close connections. Most decisions are made subconsciously, although we believe we make every decision with logic. Psychological research shows that most of our choices are made unconsciously. For example, we select items that align with our old habits or the current trends. Freedom restriction increases rebellion. When we feel our personal freedom is threatened, our mind enters a state called reactance where we want to break rules to regain autonomy. Allowing people to act by their own choice is more effective than forcing them to comply. We find patterns everywhere. Our brains have a natural habit of seeing faces or familiar shapes in random things, like clouds or toast. This is an evolutionary habit to quickly spot danger or friends in our environment. Your deepest memories are also inaccurate, even vivid. Strong memories, called flashbulb memories, often develop errors over time. We primarily remember how we felt and interpreted the event rather than the exact details that happened. Adolescent music stays special forever. Songs heard between ages 12 and 22 become lifelong favorites because our developing brain releases high amounts of dopamine during that period, making those memories deeply emotional. Basic instincts override everything else. You cannot stop paying attention to food, sex, and danger. This is a survival instinct, constantly asking, is this for eating, for the next generation, or is it a threat to be avoided? Spending on others brings more happiness. Spending money on others brings significantly more long-term satisfaction than spending it on ourselves. Science confirms that good relationships, strengthened by generosity, are key to happiness. Emotions alter buying decisions. When we are happy, we are impulsive and try new brands. When we are sad or stressed, we stick to familiar and trusted brands for comfort. This is linked to our dopamine levels, which influence our willingness to explore. These facts have taught us how our mind works and how it influences our choices. We hope you learned something new about yourself. If you found this information useful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more important and interesting videos like this.